Hello guys, so you join me and Chris. Say hello, Chris. Hello, how you doing? This is the old Haynes factory, and we've actually stumbled upon the weed grow. But you stumbled on the weed grow first, somehow. So this place has been shut for an amount of time, and it was used in the past few years as a drug den. As you can see, there was the grow room. Huge in size. And this would have been, before this, an old factory where they printed the Haynes magazines. As you can see, not a lot was left, but they made all custom ducting walls to hide all of what they were getting up to, as well as tapping into all the electrics. Now, the way out of here, I'm not too sure, so we shall see. I think it's down there. Yeah, this was quite a big operation back in the day when they were doing this. Yeah, look at the scale of the walls. They had all of the PVC plastic covering the tops, so there wasn't seepage. Oh, there's a bat over there. Don't know where you want to start, Chris, because that goes out into another building. There's bats over there. There's a bat there. There's a bat over there. Now, this is the courtyard. Oh wow, yes, it's the split between the different buildings. So, check this out. War hijack electrics. Kitchen storage area. This is where people would have came and eat. Now, I don't know what order we're going to be going in particularly here, but we're back outside actually, I think. Back outside?
Yeah. No.
So this is going to be a bit of a labyrinth of exits and entries, so we'll see what comes. So this place is a labyrinth of electric theft and open doors literally everywhere. I'm trying to keep torches to some sort of aloneness because we're literally another entrance way in. Jesus. So this place has just been opened up in every avenue possible. It's weird that we need to keep your torch down there, Chris, but it's weird that all the windows have been opened, all the doors have been opened. To almost like speed up the decaying process of this building. That's old stone floor, brick, painted floor, another door. Just room upon room upon room upon room. Me and Chris are trying to find the like production area, but it's just a labyrinth in here. Jesus, this room's everywhere, mate. Huh? What was he? Oh shit, is that the actual entrance? There's a lift.
Yeah.
Electrical room. It's all hydraulics in there. So we're actually at the main entrance now. What's inside there? Huh? Got my torch out at the minute because that's literally the entrance there. There's water pissing in somewhere. That's my torch. Jesus, mate, it's absolutely pissing it down, isn't it? There's water absolutely pissing in somewhere in here. Holy shit. Fuck. That's deep as well. Where's that coming from? Shit.
Someone's ripped. No, all the radiators have been ripped off the wall.
Is it that wet you can't even get across? Trouble with boots. I was expecting to have boots inside.
Oh.
Not good. This is where's it coming through from? Is it like pissing out like a waterfall in there, is it? Oh my god. This is really bad. It's almost like, oh my days.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
They've had water fixed.
Oh shit.
Right.
Go on, you go through.
Oh, I've got a hole in the too.
Surprised this hasn't been reported, because that is copper piping through there. Shit. Copper piping up in there. That is absolutely pissing out of there. You can see it just underneath there. Oh my god. Thankfully there's no electrics running for this building, because that would be dangerous. Absolutely pissing through, soaking wet. This is the second floor as well, so below it must be, oh my god, even worse. Jesus Christ, pissing through here. Oh shit. Chris. All the storage rooms underwater. Oh my god, huh?
Do a certain thing. So, for instance, if you needed to remove the wheel, they tell you where the jacking points were.
Oh, safe there.
How
Yeah, what has become of what once was excellent building is absolutely ravaged, especially with that water. That's really bad. Really, really bad. It's all soaking wet here, but especially when the water's going through again. The stairs. Oh yeah. Look at the state of it. Absolutely soaking through.
wow.
It's bad, isn't it? All the floor's soaking wet there. Let's set the stairs up. So this place is literally a labyrinth. Is this wet in here as well? It's quite dry in here, but oh, fucking hell, it's all pissing through here as well. More office space. Chris, you know we were downstairs, right?
Yeah.
You know where all the water was pissing through, right? Is that the bottom floor? We're just up at the top floor right now.
Turn the light on.
Huh? Yeah, this is quite bait to be doing it like guys, so sorry if there's moments of darkness. But that downstairs is absolutely fucked. I'm surprised there's no one that knows officially about what's going on here.
No. So this is.
Enjoy Chris's element of the video. What's this?
Right. Wagon.
Huh?
Lorry.
It's a main road from there, yeah.
So that. Out onto the roof, and there's the road.
I think this is one of the production rooms, yeah. Look at all the plugs around the outside of it. So I think this was the main production. Is that full of water again? Oh shit.
It is. Right.
Huh? Where you going? Why? So I think this is the remnants of the rest of the water that's pissing through the main building. It's absolutely soaking wet down here. How deep the water gets. Yeah, it's quite good. Yeah, see that's coming through from the existing leak. So this is where they would have driven vehicles in through here, forklifts, with materials to make the magazines. This is like an inspection room in here. Part of an old table effort. So, yeah, see, we're picking up more damp again. Not back where we were. So, it's this corner of the building, the frontal part of the building that's affected quite badly by the flooding. It's been caused by the copper theft. That's quite cool. We'll get a snap of that. We'll probably put a photo of that maybe on the video if that links to anything. That's quite interesting on the wall there.
Yeah, so
Back where the weed grow is again. All the electrics would have been tapping into it. There's a little peephole straight through into where they grow, where all the contract paperwork is. Check this out, unbelievable scenes. Obviously the police have been through, ripped through the place, cut it all apart, taken down all the remnants of what's left. There you go, it's your weed growing apparatus.
yeah, a switchboard.
Yeah, look over there. Old tobacco filters and Rizzlers and old food from where they were living in there.
More switchboards. Right, there we put some serious stuff in.
Yeah, it was a serious setup in there, look. All the growing lights. Pots everywhere. Radiators keep heating. Those custom switchboards they made, look. So this is, I mean, I don't know what this is. It's an old house. Very old house. Well, I don't know. It's like, we've got a boiler room in there.
I don't know what this was used for.
The electrics aren't on. I don't know what it was used for, to be fair. Storage. Let's get some of the old Haynes prints out. I think that was like some of the bikes.
Oh, Norton.
Mm. Yeah, suffering some serious rot. I don't know what this was actually. Maybe a staff building. Not too sure. It's like a secret passageway. There's rooms everywhere for it. Get outside.
That goes to the front.
Right.
Oh, that's the door that you were on about.
Yeah.
On that.
It's okay. I don't know what this place is, it's weird. It's big enough to be a house.
It is. It'd make a really nice house. And it's probably listed as well.
I would imagine so. Oh, it's rotten, mate. I am. Just saying it's rotten. You know how safe the flooring is and stuff up here. Stuff must have used this for something then. There's a box of Nissan. Oh, there's an open window. And a toilet. Genuine Nissan parts. None there though. Oh, look at that. It's a little Mustang, isn't it?
Oh, that's cool.
You see the old car heritage still running through the building. So yeah, I don't know what this place was. It is obviously very empty, but it would have been once probably a very glorious house, potentially, before it was used for...
I reckon
all
these
too
rooms
short.
are storage rooms.
Yeah.
Like one room.
It's glorious old architect in this building, it really is. Hey, Chris. Chris.
More. What have we got here? Suzuki again. Oh, Honda CB750.
Yeah.
CB900.
So, what Haynes doing, letting this place go into disrepair like that? It is a massive shame. Just goes on and on and on. This place. There's the stairs back down. Chris. Oh. Got the toilet again. Such a waste. Old fire bells there. Some really amazing old architecture. So going up into the thatched roof.
Look at that roof, guys. Yoke beams. Yoke beams. Oh, there's a room there.
So what?
There's a room.
Is it?
This is where I fall from.
Oh, I've got a bag on. Oh. Thatched. Check it out. There is a little room, is there? Yeah. Yeah, there is. Be careful where you're standing. You see Chris go through a listed property. Goes all the way through in there as well. Look. I mean, I'm not going to go across into there, but...
Stay where you are.
Yeah.
Man's just coming back.
Why?
Man doesn't want to fall through the ceiling.
She's not feeling so good, yeah. So there probably was storage up here at some point then.
And oh my god.
It's mad dusty.
It's free. Go on. Be a superhero. You know you want to. And follow this guy.
How you doing?
Because he's awesome.
Limitless Media, UK _. And we're going to finish with that glorious door there. Flick that camera around, Chris. Look at that.
That's probably the best outro I've done so far.
It's good. Are we allowed out of here?
Yeah.